Manchester United's new kit is going down a storm with fans after images of their latest strip for the 2023-24 season appeared to be leaked online. United have enjoyed a decent first season under the management of Erik ten Hag after claiming the Carabao Cup and with the FA Cup final yet to come. The Red Devils also secured their return to the Champions League next season, where they will be able to show off their fetching new home kit. Images have made their way across the pond after a picture of Luke Shaw donning the new 2023-24 shirt, which was reportedly displayed at the Adidas store in New York. Adidas are still United's kit manufacturers from their 10-year agreement, signed back in 2015, worth £75 million per season to the club. The new shirt comes naturally in red and again has the trademark Adidas stripes down the sleeves in black. Gone is the white collar from this season's strip, instead replaced by a V-neck black collar with red and white detailing. There is also a slight amendment to the Adidas logo, which no longer bears the sportswear company's name and just has the logo itself in a more subtle and sleek design. Fans were quick to give their verdicts on the new design, with various comments including, "Class, love it, and it's a beauty." One fan insisted, "Definitely getting it," while another branded it our best kit in years. United's front of shirt sponsors remain TeamViewer for now, though their logo has been adapted slightly from this season's version. However, that could well be replaced by the time the new season gets underway. TeamViewer ended their deal with United back in December, but the German company agreed to keep their logo on the shirts until a new sponsor was found. Some fans were unhappy, with one commenting, "Size of that sponsor is an eyesore." Others were in agreement, as one fan asked, "Why does the sponsor look massive?" The existence of TeamViewer's logo on the front of the shirt was a cause for debate, as some fans joked it could be Qatar Airways from the start of the new campaign. Much is likely to depend on the outcome of the ongoing takeover process, with Qatari businessman Sheikh Jassim currently in the running behind favourite Sir Jim Ratcliffe. Other fans weren't convinced by the kit at all, though, with one comparing it to a Marvel superhero outfit. "It looks like an Avengers shirt which they wear under their suit," they despaired. Another fumed, "I hate black stripes," as others questioned when United's deal with Adidas was due to end. United are yet to announce when their new kit will be on sale, but it is likely to be in the coming months before the new season kicks off in August.